40-year-old parent here. Kids' soccer games, a $400,000 mortgage, aging parents, and now staring at Roth versus traditional IRA totally frozen? Pick wrong? And you could lose $50,000 to extra taxes by retirement. In 3 minutes, I'll give you 3 life questions to find your family's tax winner. Ready? Question 1. Are you at your peak earning years right now? Let's go. Meet Sarah. 42, 2 kids, $125,000 salary. She's juggling work, soccer drop-offs, and the mortgage. Pretty much all of us. She chose the traditional IRA because a tax break now sounds smart. It did that year. She saved about $3,800 in taxes. Fast forward 20 years. She's retired. Lower tax bracket. That smart choice ended up costing her $52,000 more in taxes on withdrawals. Ouch. She texted, "Alex, did I just lock myself out of tax-free growth?" Yeah, but you won't, because we're fixing that today. If you're around 40, earning $100 to $150K with a dual income household, mortgage, and kids, you're likely at your income peak. If that's you, Roth often wins. You're using your peak working income to buy a lifetime of tax-free withdrawals later. Question 2. What does retirement income look like? Picture this. Scene 1. You retire with only Social Security plus small withdrawals. Tax bracket, super low. Scene 2. You've got rental income, maybe a small business, still consulting a bit. Income stays high. If you'll earn less in retirement, no more full-time job, maybe some part-time or fully retired, income lower than today, then paying taxes now through a Roth usually makes more sense. You take the hit today, then enjoy tax-free growth and withdrawals for life. Sarah saved about $1,500 in taxes that year with her traditional IRA, but paid $30 to $50K more later. You, with the same income and same family, if you choose Roth, every dollar grows and comes out tax-free. No future tax guessing. No stress. So if you, 1, are at your income peak, 2, expect lower income in retirement, and 3, hate constantly recalculating taxes, then Roth IRA is your answer. Sarah would trade that $36,000 mistake for a Roth in a heartbeat. That's your clear IRA choice. 3 questions, 6 minutes, 0 tax confusion. For most 40-year-old parents, the Roth IRA wins for tax-free family wealth. If this saved you from Sarah's $52K mistake, hit like. It helps more parents find this. Comment your tax bracket, or just write Roth or traditional. I read every one. Subscribe for weekly fixes. Start with the Start Here playlist. Your next money move is right there. Share this with that parent friend who's still guessing. Download your Roth versus traditional checklist at easywealthmap.com. See the exact math for a $120K family, and go build your tax-free piece today. You've earned it.